JT, what you really doing? Fetch by a swimming pool. She was scrappy dude, doing all that rapping. Knowing you poster girl. JT, better yen. Now you ain't said a thing. You know who I am. From cracking cause I'm pulling skin. Really like a transgender. In a chinchilla. Unless I lift the doors up. And mode up. Every time I show up.
Welcome into my queendom. Come on, come on.
Okay, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial. If you knew me, you will know that I don't wear colors. I just wear black clothes all the time. But this year I tried out wearing pink and I have fallen in love. Mind you, I literally own only 2 pink clothes in my entire closet, but I plan to change that. But anyways, enough of me talking about falling in love with pink, and let's get into the makeup tutorial. So first things first, make sure your skin is like properly prepared. So the first step is always to start with your primer. My primer is the African Shea Butter. This, it doesn't matter which brand you use because I think they are all the same. Just use whatever you want to, and start off by oiling your face, literally. Pull out the truck and put a portion. That bitch is tiny for these dark skin. I'm really from the trenches. When you shot time, you're talking about some region. Pop, pop, pop. I think I put just a little bit too much, but that's okay. I can fix it at the end with the powder. Because I just want the makeup to just apply very smoothly to my skin. Yeah. Pull out the truck and put a portion. First things first, I always apply my concealer first. And I apply it to here, 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 and some on my nose. Let me just, yeah, like this, always. I don't let it set. I just start by blending this part in, and then I do the nose and the eyes. I always use the same brush when I do my makeup because I don't see the point in using multiple brushes. Apply some foundation to the bottom portion of your face, like so. I use the Fit Me foundation, so it doesn't come with like an applicator, and you gotta get creative. I literally use the back of a brush and I just dip it and apply it to my face. And for blush, I always go in with a red lipstick. It does not matter which one. Literally any red lipstick is gonna do. I think I've said this in my other tutorial and I'm saying it now again. Do the same thing we've been doing. Just tap it in and blend it in smoothly. I'm literally doing what I feel like. We are both figuring out what I'm doing as we go.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
And just in case you guys are like, why does your voice sound that way? Like, why are you talking that way? It's because I'm sick. Yeah. I'm a human just like everyone else. We get sick, and I'm sick right now. But I just had to make a video for y'all because I post every Friday. For those who don't know, I post every Friday. So if you guys want to see what I got for you guys every Friday, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. And then like the video. My brain is lagging. I don't even know what that was, but if you have no idea what the hell I just sprayed on my face, that is setting spray. It's gonna take a little bit long to dry, so I just like to speed the process up by literally doing this with whatever is in my reach. Pull out the truck and put a portion. JT is in my head. Like, boom, this is beautiful. Now we're gonna see what we're gonna be doing a little bit differently today. I want this to give very much pink. I'm gonna be using this, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's called Beloved, and I'm gonna be using it as highlighter. Pull out the truck and put the portion, just a little bit of it. I can't see myself. I don't know if you can see, but it is very much pink in the cutest way. It's giving Hello Kitty. It's giving Hello Kitty. Okay, let me finish the look. I also do something very extra / random. I like to apply a little bit of my highlighter on here. I know I look a little bit crazy right now.
Yes, so crazy right now.
But you guys are gonna see what I'm trying to do by the end of this look. I mean, looking so crazy right now. So crazy in look. I mean, looking so crazy in love. Anyways, the eyebrows, I barely ever do anything to my eyebrows because I'm perfect.
Oh, well, pardon me, Mr. Perfect. I guess I forgot that you never ever make a mistake.
I'm just joking because I don't think they make that much of a difference. That's a personal opinion. It's really up to you what you want to do with your makeup look. If you think you want to do something to your eyebrows, then go ahead and do something to your eyebrows. I don't feel like I need to do nothing, so I'm not gonna do nothing. And I like to add like just a little bit of the highlight on the ends of my eyebrow just to make it look a little bit more poppy.
I'm so tired. Follow your body. Yeah.
But natural at the same time. I'm just joking. I'm not even a natural girl. I just don't like to do nothing to my eyebrows. It's as simple as that. Anyways, now that we're here, the next step is we're gonna work with the eyes. Like, I want my eyes to be like doing a little something. I don't even know how to talk. Luckily, because this is a tutorial, you guys are gonna be seeing what I do instead of just listening to what I say. This is not a podcast. If I was to do a podcast on how to do your makeup, that would be crazy. Like, I don't. Whoever can follow a podcast on how to do your makeup,
You have been promoted. You are now one of my elite employees.
so I just put like just a little bit of mascara, not too much. Like, look at my real lashes compared to this one. It's not that much of a difference. And why do I do this? Honestly, I don't know. I just feel like it's a vital process. When you want to do the most, you need to have mascara on. Love got me looking so crazy right now. Oh my God. I stopped singing the JT song and now I'm singing the Beyoncé song. Like, are we ever gonna stop singing people's song? I don't know. But now that I'm gonna hold this mirror because I cannot see myself, and I will start applying my eyeliner. Do they look like twins or do they look like sisters?
Please don't call me twin. I don't look like you.
Got me looking so crazy right now. You touch it, got me looking so crazy. Now it's time to add the powder. My lips is the last thing I do. Got me looking so crazy right now. You guys were probably like, oh my God, you look so oily. You look so slimy. Oh my God. You look so oily and not in a good way. Well, this is when we start fixing that by adding powder. And the best part about looking oily is when you start removing your makeup, it is the simplest and easiest task to do. Like, it just comes out so smoothly and real fast. Like, that's why I like to make my face a little oily before I do my makeup. I would not do it this oily, but like, it is what it is. Whenever I do the powder part of my makeup routine, I am always the quietest because it requires you to be very precise. If you don't want to look crazy, you gotta pay attention. Put all your attention in doing exactly that. time to do the lips. Anyways, at this point, what we're gonna be doing is we want this makeup to be the pinkest makeup you've ever seen. So far, it's not the pinkest makeup you've ever seen. It's just pink. I'm gonna start off with this pink color right here, and then I'm gonna add more pink. In the center. I don't know if I like it. Anyways, for the most part, I finished the makeup. Now we're gonna start accessorizing with as many pink jewelry as we can find. I also have this right here. I don't know where I want to put it. I think I'm gonna put it right here. Let me try taking my hair out. I feel like I should add this because it's the most appropriate thing to do. Like, and then of course you always gotta bedazzle the hand. Like, don't judge this now. I tried something new and I didn't like it, so that's why this finger is looking like that. But it does not matter. Boom. And I have these, like, I don't know if y'all can see them. I have these, so I'm gonna put them right on here. Or not. And now it's time to film the finale. Or should I add some gloss? I think I'm gonna add some gloss. Let me know how you think I did, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it, and do not forget to comment down below what you think. Also, when you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you can see anytime I post. Also, go show some love to my TikTok and my Instagram, because that's where I'll be posting most of my pictures and other very exciting content, and both the links to those is gonna be in the description box down below. Don't forget to check it out, and see you guys in my next video. Also, don't forget I post every Friday, so if you want to see me next Friday, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see me next Friday, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see me next Friday, subscribe to my channel. Anyways, that was beautiful.
What you working with? Yeah, what you working with? Oh, you ain't tricking, nigga, I'ma hit your mans up. JC, what you really do? I be at home playing fetch by a swimming pool. I'm a real big dog. Haven't heard from the ops, yeah, they ain't said a thing. 50 flows up, can't hop out my coupe unless I lift the doors up. Self-esteem's drop every time I show up. Yeah, second verse, who get mad every time I strike a pole? Run away, now I'm stepping in some wrong way. I'm low-key, bitches fuck on my anxiety. I'm prayed up and I'm waiting on my rivalry. Pulled out the truck and put the portion. Got bitches panning for this dark skin. Pretty ass lips made these bitches cop syringes. Mwah. No balls.